to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, August 23rd, 2024.
Hi, I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Welcome back, Pythons!
Let's make some noise for Fun Friday. Oh yeah!
You know what else is fun?
What?
The morning announcements.
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Yeah!
Just give me my money.
Yeah!
Just give me my money. Money? Money? No money?
No money.
No one.
Just give me my money. Seriously. Please give me money.
Give me my money. Just give me my money. Did I do it wrong? Wow, what did I do? Are you messing with me? Oh, all right.
You see how I'm walking to lunch and not running? Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure.
See how I get to my class every day, on time? Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure.
You see the way we're in full uniform?
IDs and closed-toed shoes.
Very mindful,
Very cutesy.
very demure.
Yeah, actually, that was kind of fun.
See, I told you. Hey, you know what else is fun?
Guys, it's time to wrap up the show.
Sorry, Miss Jimenez. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back on Monday with more news and updates. Have a great weekend. Go Python!